We've just acquired this Mercedes CLA AMG Sport Diesel Automatic. Absolutely fantastic condition throughout. It's got the front and rear park distance control, LED headlights, unmarked alloy wheels. Bodywork is just lovely. Got rear park sensors on the back as well. Proper AMG carpet mats. Obviously the AMG body styling, wider deep rear bumper, side skirts. High level of specification, having the AMG Sport interior, half leather Alcantara. This vehicle also comes with satellite navigation. It's keyless start. Got paddle shift on the gearbox, and we have cruise control, media pack, climate control. Very nice inside as well. So if you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.